Complimentary chamomile tea. Clears the mind, calms the heart.
Mukha ba akong hindi kalmado?
Hindi naman po, miss. Napansin ko lang na medyo mukha kayong stressed na stressed.
Haggard ako?
Hindi. Cute mo nga eh.
Ha?
I mean, may I? So, what I mean is, madalas kitang makita dito. And every time na nakikita kita, seems to me na may binibisita kang someone sa nearby cemetery.
Stalker ka ba?
Sabi naman sa stalker. Hindi ako stalker. Lagi lang ako nandito. And I love observing people. Kung happy ba sila, kung malungkot. And now, I see na parang may pinagdadaanan ka. Heartbreak?
Okay pala tong cafe na to. May free chamomile tea na, may free counseling pa.
Oh. Well, I'm sorry if I came across as intrusive. By the way, I am Javier. Javier Mendoza.
Noreen.
So, tama ba yung hula ko na nanggagaling ka sa cemetery?
Binisita ko yung ate Helena ko.
You know, ako rin na binibisita sa cemetery. Si Kuya Sander. He passed away a few years ago. Na-involve siya sa road rage incident.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
It's okay.